aboard a piece of American history, the classic 1946 motor yacht Mercury. Sit back, relax, and let us serve you while you cruise the calm waters of Destin Harbor and Mercury's intimate cabin, where Hollywood stars John Wayne and Lana Turner once escaped the bright lights of Hollywood.
To touch your hair and walk with me.
Choose one of our daily themed cruises or get whisked away on a full or half-day custom voyage.
And then we stroll.
If you can dream it, our staff will make it happen. We're conveniently located in the Harbor Walk Marina at the mouth of Destin Harbor. Call or visit us online at yachtmercury.com for more information.
Like painted kites, those days and nights went flying by. The world was new beneath that blue umbrella sky, then softer than a piper man one day.